Today we're taking a look at the NVIDIA stock, ticker symbol NVDA, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, March 11th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On Friday, March 8th, 2024, NVIDIA stock initiated trading at $951.38 and concluded at $875.28, reflecting a 5.55% decrease throughout the day. The stock exhibited fluctuations ranging from $926.69 to $875.28, with a trading activity witnessing the exchange of 112.1 million shares, equivalent to approximately $97.74 billion. The trading range on the last trading day spanned from $865.06 as the lowest point to $974 as the highest. Remarkably, the stock's 52-week high and low are $974 and $222.97 respectively. A comparison with the previous trading day reveals an unsettling sign, with 54 million more shares traded, accompanied by a decline in the stock price. Despite these fluctuations, NVIDIA stock maintains a positive outlook, signaled by both short-term and long-term moving averages. The short-term average positioned above the long-term average signifies a buy signal, reinforcing an optimistic forecast. It's crucial to note that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, a sell signal is generated, suggesting a less optimistic outlook. Adding to the analysis, a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern is observed on the stock. Additionally, attention is drawn to a breakout watch above the $902 level. On the 1-day time frame, an engulfing bearish pattern is forming with medium reliability, pointing towards a potential bearish reversal. Considering the current overall short-term trend, there is an anticipation of a rise in the stock price, adding a layer of optimism to the overall assessment of NVIDIA stock. As of the most recent trading day, the chart displays a red daily candle, signaling the prevalence of bearish activity, with sellers taking the lead in dominating the session. This bearish sentiment is further underscored by a substantial trading volume of 112.1 million, surpassing the average volume for NVIDIA, typically observed at 48.9 million, by 56%. The current stock scenario places NVIDIA within the upper echelon of its yearly price range. Additionally, it is noteworthy that NVIDIA's trading position positions it above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential and simple moving averages, signifying a positive trend for the stock. Shifting the focus to the daily technical analysis, various indicators provide valuable insights. The average true range indicator reflects heightened volatility, while the relative strength index, stochastic MACD, average directional index, Williams percent range, commodity channel index, rate of change, and ultimate oscillator indicators all exhibit positive readings. Collectively, these technical signals converge towards a positive stance, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Nevertheless, it's crucial to acknowledge that placing sole reliance on these indicators may not guarantee substantial outcomes. As we delve into the analysis and prediction for NVIDIA's price movement on the upcoming trading day, Monday, March 11th, 2024, it's essential to consider key price thresholds. Should the stock price fall below $904.78, there is an increased likelihood of downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price remains above $904.78, the prospect of an upward movement becomes more probable. The current pivot point for this stock stands at $904.78, determined by the closing price of the previous trading day. Notably, support levels are identified at $863.16, $837.46, and $788.17, while resistance is evident at $887, $926.69, and $946.40. As we prepare for the upcoming trading day, I will give you two bullish and two bearish potential trades for NVIDIA stock. Feel free to consider alternative trades based on the insights shared in this video, aligning them with your specific bullish or bearish sentiments toward the stock. It is crucial to bear in mind that breach support levels often transform into resistance levels, and conversely, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to assume the role of a support level. Stay attuned to these dynamics while navigating potential trades in this volatile market. For the bullish trade, contemplate initiating a long position if, within the initial 30 minutes of trading, the stock consistently maintains the $863.16 level as a support. Strive to enter the trade in close proximity to this support level, bearing in mind that this would constitute a short-term trading strategy. For those inclined towards a bullish stance on NVIDIA, the aim is evidently to capitalize on intraday profits. Consequently, my recommendation for profit-taking in this first bullish trade is to commence the process in the vicinity of the $887 resistance level. The second bullish trade entails vigilant observation of whether the $887 resistance level is breached at least 30 minutes after the market opens and subsequently transforms into a support level for a substantial duration. This particular scenario indicates a short-term bullish perspective. Under such circumstances, contemplate initiating a long position as closely aligned as possible with the emerging $887 support level. In terms of realizing profits in this second bullish trade, consider doing so around the ensuing resistance level of $926.69. It is prudent to close positions gradually in incremental percentages as the stock evolves, rather than opting for a complete closure in a single transaction. Incremental closures in 25% increments are advised, ensuring a measured and strategic approach. Shifting to the bearish trade, if the stock persists in treating the $887 level as a formidable resistance after a minimum of 30 minutes from the market's commencement, it may be opportune to consider initiating or augmenting a short trade position in proximity to said resistance level. Keep in mind that this strategy is geared towards a short-term trading horizon. For bearish traders eyeing NVIDIA, the objective is undeniably centered on securing intraday profits. Hence, my recommendation for profit-taking in this initial bearish trade is to commence the process in the vicinity of the $863.16 support level. In the second bearish trade, scrutinize whether the $863.16 support level is breached at least 30 minutes after the market opens and subsequently transitions into a resistance level for a substantial period. This scenario implies a short-term bearish perspective. Under these circumstances, contemplate initiating a short trade position as closely aligned as possible with the emerging $863.16 resistance level. When it comes to realizing profits in this second bearish trade, consider doing so around the ensuing support level of $837.46. It is also judicious to close positions gradually in incremental percentages as the stock unfolds, rather than opting for a complete closure all at once. As reiterated earlier, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended, fostering a measured and disciplined approach. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!